Hello, welcome back. Let's read some more. I just upload. So, but this engine is the world's most powerful piston engines or turboprop engine. But that's a Russian military engine, so that's not one you can buy. But the engine, I just read this Europrop TP 400, 11,000 horsepower. I think that's the most powerful piston engine or turboprop you can buy in the world for now, but they keep updates. They will update this engine in the future. Let's read about it, but they have changed the Adobe Acrobat. They have changed show, read loud, read end of document.
Kuznetsov NK-12. NK-12 turboprop engine on a 295 at IAT Fairford 1993 type turboprop national origin Soviet Union manufacturer Kuznetsov Design Bureau first run October 1952 major applications Antonov and 22 Tupolev 295 Tupolev 2114 Tupolev 2142. The exhaust ports of a NK-12 in a Newtboard nacelle on a 295. The Kuznetsov NK-12 is a Soviet turboprop engine of 1950s. Designed by the Kuznetsov Design Bureau. The NK-12 drives two large four-blade contra-rotating propellers, 5.6 m, 18 feet, diameter, NK-12 Ma, and 6.2 m, 20 feet, diameter, NK-12 MV. It is the most powerful turboprop engine to enter service. Design and development. The design that eventually became the NK-12 turboprop was developed after World War II by a team of Soviet scientists and deported German engineers under Ferdinand Brandner, who had worked for Junkers previously. The design bureau was headed by Kiev engineer Nikolai D. Kuznetsov. Thus, the NK-12 design evolved from late-war German turboprop studies. This started with the post-war development of wartime Jumo 022 turboprop design that was designed to develop 6,000 shp, 4,500 kilowatts, weighing 3,000 kilogram, 6,600 pound. The effort continued with a 5,000 shp, 3,700 kilowatts, weighing 1,700 kilograms, 3,700 pound, completed by 1947. Evolution to the TV-12 12,000 shp, 8,900 kilowatts. Engine required extensive use of new Soviet-developed alloys and was completed in 1951. The NK-12 is the most powerful turboprop engine to enter service, ahead of the Europrop TP400, in 2005. Another engine of similar size, the Pratt & Whitney T57 with 15,000 shp, 11,000 kilowatts, and 5,000 lbf, 22 kN, jet thrust, ran 3,100 hours before being cancelled in 1957. 2. The NK-12 powers the Tupolev 295 bomber and its derivatives such as the 2142 Maritime Patrol aircraft and the Tupolev 2114 airliner, with NK-12 MV, which still holds the title of the world's fastest propeller-driven aircraft despite being retired from service in 1991. It also powered the Antonov An-22 Antia, with NK-12 Ma, the world's largest aircraft at the time, and several types of amphibious assault craft, such as the A-90 or Leonid Ekranoplan. The engine has a 14-stage axial flow compressor, producing pressure ratios between 9:1 and 13:1 depending on altitude, with variable inlet guide vanes and blow-off valves for engine operability. The combustion system used is a cannula type. Each flame tube is centrally mounted on a downstream injector that ends in an annular secondary region. The contra-rotating propellers and compressor are driven by the fifth-stage axial turbine. Mass flow is 65 kilograms, 143 pound per second. 3. Variants. NK-12 data from Alexandrov NK-1212, 500 HP, 9,300 kilowatts. Initial development model. UC-DOM the Tupolev 295 and Tupolev 2116 NK-12M12000 HP, 8,950 kilowatts. Used on the Tupolev 2114 NK-12MV14795 HP, 11,033 kilowatts. 4. 5.6 m diameter, 18 feet 4 in, 560 centimeter, 220 in. AV60 propellers, used on the Tupolev 295, Tupolev 2126, and Tupolev 2142 NK-12MA15,001 HP, 11,186 kilowatts, 6.2 m diameter, 20 feet 4 in, 620 centimeters, 244 in. AV90 propellers, UC-DOM the Antonov An-22 NK-12 MK-14795 HP, 11,033 kilowatts, 5.6 m diameter, 18 feet 4 in, 560 centimeters, 220 in. Propellers, built with corrosion-resistant materials, used on the A90 Orleanic NK-12 MP14,795 HP, 11,033 kilowatts. 5. Modernized version used on the Tupolev 295 MS and Tupolev 2142 NK-12 MPM. Upgraded version of the NK-12 MP that develops more power, produces half the vibration and is paired with the Aracila AV60T propeller. Replaces the NK-12 MP engine and AV60K propeller on the Tupolev 295 MS. 6. Applications. A pair of Kuznetsov NK-12 MS installed on an Antonov An-22 A90 Orleanic. Antonov An-22. Tupolev 295. Tupolev 2114. Tupolev 2116. Tupolev 2126. Tupolev 2142. Specifications, NK-12MV. Data from Aircraft Engines of the World 1970. 7. Civil turboshaft /turboprop specifications. 8. General characteristics. Type, turboprop engine. Length, 6 m, 20 feet. Diameter, 1,150 millimeters, 45 in. Dry weight, 2,900 kilograms, 6,400 pound. Components. Compressor, 14-stage axial flow. Combustors, 12 combustion chambers. Turbine, 5-stage axial turbine. Fuel type, aviation kerosene such as JP4/Soviet spec. T1 or T2. Oil system, pressure spray at 5.9 bar, 85 psi. Performance. Maximum power output, 11,000 kilowatts, 15,000 shp, equivalent, /11,000 kilowatts, 14,750 shp, plus 2.78 kN, 625 lbf, at 9,250 rpm. Overall pressure ratio, 13:1 at 9,250 rpm. Air mass flow, 65 kg /s, 140 lb /s, at 9,250 rpm. Turbine inlet temperature 1,250 K, 980 degrees Celsius. Specific fuel consumption 0.219 kg/kWh, 0.360 lb/hph. Power to weight ratio 3.7 kW/kg, 2.3 HP/lb. See also related lists. List of aircraft engines. References: Connors, J. 2010.
Good. That was a big engine. I will stop the video.